If you want to keep your wood floors looking fresh and avoid that annoying warping or damage, you gotta be super careful with how you mop them, especially not drowning them in water. So, like, when you're cleaning wood floors, never use a soaking wet mop. Instead, grab a mop that's just damp enough to pick up dirt without leaving puddles. You can even wring it out a few times to get it just right. Use a gentle cleaner made for wood floors or just mix some mild soap with water, nothing harsh or abrasive. Mop in the direction of the wood grain to keep things smooth and avoid streaks. After mopping, quickly dry the floor with a clean towel or microfiber cloth so no moisture sits too long. Try to clean spills right away because wood hates soaking up liquids and can swell or stain. Also, consider using floor mats at entrances to catch dirt and moisture before it hits your floors. Lastly, avoid steam mops or anything that blasts heat and water onto the wood, because that's a fast track to damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wood floor cleaning is using way too much water, which causes swelling and warping. Fix it by always wringing your mop well and sticking to a damp mop only. Another common issue is using harsh chemical cleaners that strip the finish or dull the wood. Instead, go for pH neutral or specifically designed wood floor cleaners. Lastly, skipping quick drying after mopping leaves water sitting on the surface, leading to stains or permanent damage. Just grab a dry cloth and wipe right after you mop to keep your floors safe. BigHomeProjects.com is like a lifesaver for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without the headache of searching everywhere. It also helps contractors find solid work by connecting them with people who really need their skills.